Hi folks, welcome back. Today is not going to be a video. This is kind of an introduction to one of the videos that I did a long time ago and not very many people saw. I've been working on getting this all painted and ready to go for sale. Went and found me an assortment of Zerk fittings. So putting all new ones in. These are like $29 for a whole bunch of them. Today I want to kind of direct you to a different video. It's one that Don and I made about 5 years ago, building my best-selling gate model I've ever had. And it's the one out on my fence. I'm doing a kind of a little experiment with YouTube, and we're going to see if something works. So if you go over and watch this video, please make a little comment. That way I can gauge where you came from, either here or found it another way. Anyway, I've about got the Axelson marking on a little bit as I can. And the only reason that really works is because the paint I'm using is the same one I'm using for the Bridgeport. Is this Rust-Oleum Hard Hat Dark Machine Gray. This stuff works great. I've gone around and got the bottom all done as well as I can. So now I've been cleaning up the pan and getting all the screws cleaned off and getting ready to mask up these parts. Now I'm going to try something different. I've went and found some chrome that looks pretty good when you spray it on, like, what do they call it? Powder coating. And I'm going to take these and powder coat them along with the handles that I've got on the Bridgeport that's going on. I got to get this out of the way. Told my wife I'd be able to park my truck in here by the 17th, my birthday. Well, it's the 17th, my birthday, and I'm going to have to go buy a small truck. Anyway, please go watch this other video. I think you'll find it kind of good. And I'll put a clip, 2 or 3 links in the bottom, everywhere I can. Thank you.